Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe so that you will learn car design sketches from basics to advanced. So today I'm going to teach you SUV side view. So as usual, first make the baseline and then draw the wheelbase. Of course, you have to take wheelbase of like more than 2.5 wheels or 3 wheels maximum. Draw the overall volume of the SUV. Now draw the greenhouse, make the C pillar and the spoiler. Also draw the A pillar. Now think about what elements you want to add. Darken the lines because it will give a depth. Now draw the surfaces. Draw the light catcher. Make the base strong. Give some shadows. Now make the highlights. The part which is facing upwards will be light and give shadows. Try to do it in force. Don't stop while doing. Try to complete your sketches in less than 10 minutes. Then make the highlights. Give a sleek shape to it. Now start shading the shadows. Give more details. Draw the shoulder line and then draw the steering wheel and the small details like that. Give the rear lamp. Show the wheels. The other side. Now define the wheels, make the ground plane. Start making the shadow of the whole SUV. Now start giving depth inside the wheel arches. Most of the light won't go in there. Make the wheel arches dark. By doing this, it will give the SUV a strong look. If you can't do straight lines, just make whole circles. Give a curvature to the DLO. So I was just sharpening my pencil. It was too blunt. Look what happened. Because of the moisture, it never stops. And it breaks again and again. Just don't keep these pencils on your windows while it is raining. It will catch moisture and then they will be useless. Make the door lines, panel gaps, and you can define the surfaces as well. Think how the surface is flowing and according to that render them. If you want to learn how to make new surfaces, just comment and tell me. You can follow my Instagram and ask me questions. I'm ready to answer them.